The next instructions tell you to create your composition. They read, label each picture you choose with a number. Use the printed photographs of yourself along with scissors and glue to create your personal fractured self-portrait. Label each piece with a number for the photo used. If the piece is from photo 1, write a 1 on the piece. If the piece is from photo 2, write a 2 on the piece. Each piece will need to be labeled for your next step. So these are the 2 photographs that I chose and just traced. So this, the one that was on black, I'm going to label photo 2. And this one, the one that's on white, I'm going to label photo 1. Okay. I'm writing in a Sharpie so you can see it on the screen, but you can see it in a pencil or a pen or pretty much anything. So I have chosen the photograph on the left. This is the one that I've chosen to use the style of. I'm not going to do exactly what they've done, but I'm going to fracture in a similar way. So I'm actually going to start with my white and maybe leave my black whole. So my thought is that I can draw long triangles and of course label them. So this is a 1 because it's part of piece 1, and then cut out. So I'm going to do one at a time. And as I draw, label, and cut them, I'm going to place them. So I'm going to place them over the black, the picture that I'm using for the black. And so now I'll get another piece, say, this. So I've drawn the piece. Now I've got to label it. So I put my 1 on, and then I cut it. And then I place it. So each piece is going to be done in this way. Now, if I'm working with more than one picture, I'm going to do the same thing. The only difference is I'm going to have multiple numbers. So I'm not going to have just 1 and 2. I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, however many pieces that I'm using. I can arrange this any way I want. And I'm going to cut it all out and kind of put it together before I tape it down or glue it down. So that's how you create your composition. Make sure to label your pieces so that you know which one goes with which picture, because you'll need that for when it's time to draw.